Hello nail peeps, and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. This is where nail things happen, and I'm sorry I was away so long. So I am back from America Land and I have some boxes to go through. I am currently opening this box from Maniology. I believe this is the July box. So let's dive in and see what happens. I shall show you what I see. I haven't been following nail stuff. So here's what's inside the box. We've got our two cards that show, oh, what does this say? This is different than normal. So I haven't opened up May, I haven't opened up June. I thought I'd start with July and then go backwards because I'm so late with everything. So thank you for indulging my vacation over the summer. But anyway, so I think I hope this is the July box. That's what I'm hoping for. I like to be surprised, so I'm not going to read too much into that. Go bananas! Manicure how-to. This looks fun. Looks like some reverse stamping. Let's double check and see. If you need to pause and take a look at that, you can see all the tutorial right there. And I will be doing another video on the tutorial, of course. Let's take out the stuff. I have no idea what the free gift is. Not free gift, but you know, the gift, the extra item. Super excited about all of it. I'm so excited. It's so long since I've opened up nail stuff. Is this? Okay, so I'm going to start with the extra item because it looks like an acetone bottle. Wow, I think that's exactly what it is. So it's probably an acetone resistant bottle. And I have some of these already, but this one's different than, like I have this shape and I have round ones. But this is nice. Oh, and it's nice. Nice pumper thing on top. That's a pretty good bottle. It's a good size. Typically, I like to keep mine in this. This is my acetone bottle. I have a smaller one like this, and then they have a larger one for this. I use the Onyx brand, so they do have a pump bottle already, and I love this, so I'm not going to switch from this one, but I can definitely put my alcohol in this faux show. So thanks, Maniology, for thinking about the peeps. That is a great extra gift, extra side item. Go bananas. So I guess jungle theme. So it looks like we have MXM083 and 084. Oh, okay, so this is some layered stamping with some safari kind of stuff in the background. Sorry about the light, it's a big layer. You can put your designs like sunset kind of stuff and then layer your different scenery items. That's kind of awesome. We had some toucans up here, it looks like sloths, I think. Different ferns, different kind of plant life kind of stuff. Over here, I think it's just different kind of florally fauna kind of stuff. Okay, very good, very awesome. Okay, and then we've got some layered stamping happening with, it looks like a cheetah or a jaguar or something, and a snake. Different leaf patterns, lizards, amphibians, frogs, lily pads. Oh, there's a leopard in the background. This one has some, oh, what are these guys called? Those type of special, they're monkeys, right? I don't remember what they're called. Lemurs, maybe? I don't know. Now I've got to find out. Then we have some different plant life. Are there, oh, there's a snake sneaking in there. There's a parrot, I think, sneaking in there. So those are pretty awesome. And I like these on the corner. I like how they do these corner ones. That's pretty cool. All right, so very jungle, very fun there. Now let's open up and see different colors. So right now I'm just doing the unboxing, and then later on I'll go back and I'll do a tutorial video on the Go Bananas, which, let me look at it a little bit more closely now. Now it's toucan, bananas, a monkey on there, and what is this? They do, what is that? Pick up the phone, what? Leaves of mangrove. Oh, getting it. Okay, so there will be a tutorial on how to do that. But let's have a look at what mangrove. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. I love the shimmer to them. Oh my gosh, this color is outstanding. The shimmery, I hope it Oh man, I hope it really does just as good as it looks. Toco? Does this say Toco Toucan or Toco Toucan? I think it's Toco. And then we've got Mangrove. I can't wait to swatch these. They're so pretty. So let's get right to it. So there's our two stamping plates. We've got our bottle that's really cool. Let me get out my stamping stuff so we can swatch these guys. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just found inside the box with this, there's a, you can put what it is, whether it's acetone or polish remover or alcohol, and then you can decorate it with little stickers. Oh, Maniology, you're so kind to us. And I don't know why you didn't make this a sticker. I would totally use that as a sticker, by the way, Maniology. This little, your little M logo. But very cute stickers, very cute for the outside of the box. It did looks like it got a little bent, but that's okay. I'm super excited about it. Thank you very much. All right, let me get my stamp. Okay, I think before we stamp it, we'll swatch it with just the actual colors themselves. So this is the Mangrove color? No, this is the Toco Toucan. Okay, let's take this one first. Oh my gosh, you guys, that color. The shimmer is just really pretty. Oh. And see, I love this color. I don't think it's gonna look good as a whole nail for me, but oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful. It's gonna make a great stamping color for sure, I think. And in one coat, it does pretty well. Look at that. I don't see, like you could, that's a one coat, I think. Oh no, I see a little bit through. We'll definitely do 2 coats because, you know, that's how I roll. But, oh, I keep opening it off camera. That's so silly of me. Okay, here we go. Just the shimmer is so pretty. And I know Maniology probably doesn't want to hear this, but this is going to make a great Christmas color too. It's a really sparkly, pretty green color. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh, the shimmer is just really nice. Love, love, love. Okay, let's stamp these guys and see what happens. Okay, you guys know I use my traditional one. I always use the same one every single time on top of all my stamps. We'll start with the Mangrove color and go from there. I am using my monocle stamper. Okay, and let's plop it on top. Boop. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Like if you look at it sideways, you don't see the shimmer. And then you're just like, bam, hits the light. And you're like, wow, it's so pretty. It's gorgeous. I love it. Okay, this one, the Toco Toucan. Let me clean up a little bit. And then we'll have a look at it. Just got some acetone quickly ready to go. The Toco Toucan. Toco? Toco? Toco. It's gotta be Toco. Oh, so pretty. Like I said, I don't think it's gonna be a good for a full nail for me, but I'll tell you what. Okay. Let's pop it down. Can you see the shimmer as clearly? I don't think the shimmer comes quite as clear as the Mangrove color. You can't see quite the shimmer. It is still a little shimmery, but it kind of loses some of its luster, honestly. Oh, I got a little bit of the green on there. Maybe I didn't clean it. Oops. So sorry. So sorry. I should do a better job stamping the top of these, but I never seem to do it. Anyway, so I'm in love with this one. I love what the full nail looks like. But I don't know, I really like the green one better, I think. Both of them are really good. Let's go ahead and do another coat while we're here. You know, while we're here. And then we'll review everything that we did, everything that we got. Ooh, that was a lot. I do like it though, it's so pretty. It's like, it wants to be a nude, but it also wants to be a pink. And it just looks so much darker on camera. I don't know why it looks so much darker on camera than it actually is. And then here's our Mangrove. Super luscious. Yeah, this was a 1-coater. I really didn't even need 2 coats on this one, honestly. I do like that about Maniology polishes. They're quick drying, and most of them are pretty opaque with 1 coat. Most, not all, of course. So pretty, so pretty. All right, let's review everything we got. Okay, so in our July 2022 Mani by Me box, we got our Go Bananas How To Manicure How To. That showed us exactly how to do this layered stamping look. Then we also got our card that talked about what was in there, so you guys can pause that and see all the different things. Very pretty. Oh, poople snaps! Oh. Well, that's the kind of way it goes. So I've tainted my card like a big goofball because I didn't wait for it to dry. But anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and finish up this. It's in July. I'll try to leave that because that's wet still. We had our, it's a pretty big bottle. This is bigger than the ones that I normally have. This is for acetone. It's acetone resistant apparently. You can use alcohol in here, and they had cute little stickers that went along with it so you could name them. Love it, love it, love it. There were 2 jungle themed, what are these called? Stamping plates that went along with it. This is MXM083 and 084. So those were really nice. And then you also had our 2 colors, which were Mangrove. Come on, you can do it. Mangrove and Toco Toucan. Both of those, which are really both very shimmery, very pretty. I am a fan. Let me see if I can put them over here. There you go. I am a fan of both of them. I think I like the green a little bit more though. I'm a little disappointed that more of the shimmer didn't come through on the Toco Toucan because it's really shimmery and really pretty. I wish more of that came through. But anyway, that is your July 2022 Mani by Me box. So thank you, Maniology, for always getting those good gifts and thinking about what we might need. And people, I hope you enjoyed this. Be on the lookout for the tutorial, and until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!